GPH Ispat, transforming Bangladesh.
Respecting and safeguarding the environment is a fundamental principle held by GPH Ispat. Our first priority is to remain fully compliant with the conditions of our environmental permits. We aim to minimize our environmental impact in all aspects of our steel-making process. And a substantial proportion of our capital investment in recent years has been on improving energy efficiency and reducing carbon and dust emissions. The energy savings that we can achieve is tremendous. Almost 35 cubic meter per metric ton against existing steel production practices in Bangladesh, which saves around 20 million cubic meter natural gases each year. The levels of gaseous emissions are substantially lower than that set by the World Bank Group, therefore contributing to GPH Ispat's zero hazardous emissions policy. The groundwater crisis in the Sitakundu-Mirasarai belt is a deep yet unresolved issue. GPH Ispat discourages the use of groundwater and has developed a 22-acre land for rainwater harvesting facility for industrial as well as human use. The stored rainwater is used for both high-end and low-end purposes: cooling during steel-making process, dust suppression, gardening, and for drinking purposes after dew treatment. GPH Ispat has made a commitment to protect and, where possible, enhance biodiversity at its production sites. As a business, we always have and will continue to deeply value the well-being and prosperity of everyone who forms a part of the communities in which we operate, and our commitment to reduce the environmental impact we have on our surroundings remains resolute.